Ever feel like you're stuck in a financial rut? Like you're working hard but not getting ahead? You're not alone. Many people struggle with limiting beliefs about money. These beliefs, often ingrained since childhood, can sabotage our best financial intentions. We might think, "I'm not good with money," or "rich people are greedy." These thoughts become self-fulfilling prophecies, holding us back from achieving financial freedom. The good news? You can break free from these limiting beliefs. It starts with recognizing and challenging them. Are these beliefs really true, or are they simply stories you've been told? Once you identify these limiting beliefs, you can start to replace them with empowering ones. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Choose to believe in your ability to create financial abundance. Start by surrounding yourself with positive financial influences. Read books, listen to podcasts, or follow financial experts who inspire you. Seek out mentors or join communities where people share your financial goals. Remember, change is possible. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can rewrite your financial story. Let's face it, money is emotional. Our relationship with money runs deep, often influenced by our upbringing, experiences, and even our personality traits. Understanding the psychological aspects of money is crucial for making sound financial decisions. For example, some people are naturally inclined to save, while others are wired to spend. Neither is inherently good or bad. It's about recognizing your tendencies and developing strategies that align with your financial goals. One common psychological barrier is fear. Fear of not having enough, fear of making the wrong decision, or even fear of success itself. This fear can paralyze us, preventing us from taking the necessary steps to improve our financial well-being. Recognizing and addressing these fears is essential for moving forward. Another crucial aspect is our emotional relationship with money. Do we view it as a source of stress or a tool for empowerment? Our beliefs about money can significantly impact our financial behavior. By cultivating a healthy and positive relationship with money, we can make more conscious and empowered financial decisions. Remember, understanding your money psychology is the first step toward mastering your finances. Changing your mindset is a journey, not a destination. It requires conscious effort and consistent action, but the rewards are well worth it. Here are some practical tips to rewire your financial DNA and cultivate a positive money mindset. 1. Track your spending. Awareness is key. Start by understanding where your money is going. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or simply a notebook to track your income and expenses for a month. This exercise will illuminate your spending habits and highlight areas for improvement. 2. Set SMART goals. Don't just dream about financial freedom, define it. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or investing for retirement, having clear goals provides direction and motivation. 3. Automate your savings. Make saving effortless by automating regular transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Treat these transfers like non-negotiable expenses. You'll be amazed at how quickly your savings will grow. 4. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress along the way. Did you stick to your budget this month? Did you pay off a credit card? Celebrate these victories, no matter how small they may seem. This positive reinforcement will keep you motivated on your financial journey. Our mindset shapes our reality. If we approach money from a scarcity mindset, believing there's never enough, we attract more scarcity into our lives. Conversely, cultivating an abundance mindset allows us to see the endless possibilities and opportunities that surround us. This shift in perspective is crucial for achieving financial well-being. An abundance mindset is not about denying the reality of financial challenges. It's about choosing to focus on the positive, believing in your ability to create wealth, and being open to receiving abundance in all its forms. It's about recognizing that there is enough for everyone and that your financial success doesn't come at the expense of others. Start by practicing gratitude for what you already have. Appreciate the roof over your head, the food on your table, and the people in your life. This simple act of gratitude can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, paving the way for greater abundance. Remember, abundance is a state of mind. Choose to believe that you are worthy and deserving of financial prosperity. In the realm of personal finance, adopting a growth mindset can be transformative. Coined by psychologist Carol Dweck, a growth mindset embraces challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of viewing financial setbacks as failures, see them as valuable lessons. Each mistake becomes a stepping stone on your path to financial mastery. A growth mindset encourages continuous learning and development. Seek out new information, expand your financial literacy, and embrace challenges as opportunities to refine your skills. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek guidance from financial mentors. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and even the most successful investors were once beginners. Cultivating a growth mindset also means being adaptable and resilient. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, so be prepared to adjust your strategies and learn new skills along the way. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth and innovation. Remember, your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Approach it with a growth mindset, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Gratitude might seem like an unexpected tool for financial success, but its impact is profound. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we shift our energy from a place of lack to a place of abundance. This positive shift in perspective can have a ripple effect on our financial well-being. Gratitude helps us appreciate what we already have, reducing the urge to overspend or compare ourselves to others. It allows us to find joy in the present moment, fostering contentment and reducing the desire for material possessions. When we approach our finances from a place of gratitude, we make more conscious and mindful spending decisions. Start by incorporating a gratitude practice into your daily routine. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, whether it's your health, your relationships, or even a sunny day. You can write in a gratitude journal, meditate on your blessings, or simply share your gratitude with loved ones. The more you focus on gratitude, the more abundance you'll attract into your life. Financial shame and guilt can be crippling emotions, holding us back from achieving our financial goals. We might feel ashamed of past financial mistakes, guilty about our spending habits, or embarrassed to talk about money with loved ones. These negative emotions can lead to avoidance, secrecy, and a reluctance to seek help. It's essential to acknowledge that everyone makes financial mistakes. It's part of being human. Instead of dwelling on past missteps, focus on learning from them and moving forward. Forgive yourself for any financial blunders and view them as opportunities for growth. Remember, you are not alone in your financial journey. Many people struggle with similar challenges. Reach out to a trusted friend, family member, or financial advisor to share your feelings and seek support. Breaking the silence around financial shame and guilt is the first step toward healing and creating a healthier relationship with money. Achieving financial success is rarely a solo endeavor. Having a supportive network of people who understand and encourage your goals can make all the difference. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire you, hold you accountable, and provide guidance along the way. Start by identifying people in your life who share your values and financial aspirations. This could include family members, friends, colleagues, or even members of online communities. Share your financial goals with them and seek their support and encouragement. Consider joining a financial support group or online forum where you can connect with like-minded individuals. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and successes with others can provide valuable insights, motivation, and a sense of community. Remember, you don't have to navigate your financial journey alone. Building a strong support system can provide the encouragement and accountability you need to stay on track and achieve your goals. Changing your mindset is essential, but it's only the first step. True financial transformation requires action and consistent effort. It's time to put your knowledge and intentions into practice and start making tangible progress toward your goals. Break down your financial goals into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the big picture, focus on taking one step at a time. Whether it's creating a budget, automating your savings, or researching investment options, each action you take moves you closer to financial freedom. Consistency is key. Make a commitment to yourself to take regular action toward your financial goals, no matter how small. Set aside dedicated time each week to review your finances, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Remember, even small, consistent actions can lead to significant results over time. Congratulations on taking the first step toward unlocking your financial future by exploring the power of a positive money mindset. Remember, your thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes towards money play a crucial role in shaping your financial reality. By embracing the principles outlined in this essay, you can begin to transform your relationship with money, cultivate a mindset of abundance, and create a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards of financial freedom and peace of mind are well worth the effort. Start today. Take that first step, no matter how small. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your financial dreams. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.